Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. This essential maintenance task is surprisingly simple and requires no special tools, making it a perfect do-it-yourself project. Keeping your cabin air filter clean ensures you breathe fresh air and helps your heating and cooling system run efficiently. Let's get started and improve your driving experience today. First, open your glove box fully and clear out any contents. You'll then see an L-shaped shelf or book bracket inside. Simply pull this forward to remove it. Behind where the shelf was, you'll find a rectangular plastic access panel. This panel covers the cabin air filter housing, and it's designed for easy removal without any tools. With the access panel removed, you'll see the filter cover. Squeeze the two small clips on its sides and pull it off. Now, gently slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. It typically points downwards. Install your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow also points downwards, matching the original orientation. Once the new filter is in, snap the filter cover back on, ensuring the clips engage. Then, reattach the rectangular access panel. Finally, slide the L-shaped shelf back into the glove box. Close your glove box, and you're all done. Replacing your cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year, ensures fresh air and optimal climate control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.